Hi there, today at Smarty Pants Kitchen we're going to make classic eggplant parmesan. If you've never had this before, it's a delicious way to enjoy an Italian meal without all the carbs. So today I'm going to show you how to peel the eggplant and how to season it so that it will be nice and firm when you fry it. For this recipe you need eggplant, eggs, mozzarella, panko crumbs, and Italian seasonings. Take the eggplant and remove both ends, forming a solid base, and then slide your sharp knife just from the top to the bottom all the way around, gently removing that purple skin. Then slice the eggplant into 1/4-inch rounds, and note that the bottom of the eggplant will be a little bit smaller in diameter than the top, so you can make those a little bit thicker. Those are smaller in diameter, but you want them to cook evenly, so that's okay. Next, you'll place the eggplant rounds on a paper towel and season generously on both sides with salt. Cover that up with a paper towel and let it sit for a while. Salting draws out the moisture, which makes for a more firm eggplant parmesan patty. Next, you'll want to set up a dredging station with lightly beaten eggs, seasoned breadcrumbs, and your sliced eggplant rounds. Dip the eggplant into the lightly beaten egg, coating the edges and both sides well, and then transfer that to the seasoned breadcrumbs and pack it in there. I just use one hand so I don't have two dirty hands. But gently pat the breadcrumbs on there on both sides and just set those aside until you've finished all of the eggplant rounds. And then at that point, we'll start to heat up our oil. Next, you'll want to put about a 1/2 inch of oil in a skillet and bring it to a high heat, and you can test to see if the oil's hot enough by sprinkling some of the breadcrumbs in. After that, you'll just gently place each of the eggplant rounds in a single layer and let them cook for maybe 2 to 4 minutes on each side. Let them drain on a cooling rack and slice a mozzarella. Place a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top of each one. Place that in a baking pan and pop it under the broiler for a few minutes. Then top it off with your favorite marinara sauce and garnish it with a little fresh Parmesan, and you've got a quick and easy Italian dinner that's easy on the waistline and easy on the carbs. Be sure to click the subscribe button below and hit that little bell so you'll get notifications every time I post a video. See you in the kitchen. For more great recipes like this, go to smartypantskitchen.com or follow on any of your favorite social media platforms.